Hi, this is Dilip Thakur. Welcome to my channel. And today I have come with a geometry question, which is in front of you. There is a triangle PQR, an equilateral triangle, and two angles 60-60. And it is given that there is a point S on the side QR, such that QS equal to QR by 3. And we have to prove that 9PS square equal to 7PQ square. So PS square basically this one, and PQ is actually the side. So since it's an equilateral triangle, all the sides PQ, QR and PR will be equal. Let's suppose it is A. Okay. Now here the PT is the perpendicular drawn on QR. So it will divide QR into two parts. So QT equal to TR equal to A by 2. And since QS equal to QR by 3, they have already given. So we have taken it as A by 3. Now, how do we go about it? Here, can you see that we have to establish the relation between PS and PQ. तो PS और PQ में रिलेशन बिठाने से पहले हमें PS और PT में रिलेशन बिठाना पड़ेगा, और उसके बाद फिर PT और PQ में रिलेशन बिठाना पड़ेगा, या फिर पहले हम PQ और PT में रिलेशन बिठा लेते हैं और फिर हम पाइथागोरस यूज करके ये जो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है PTS, उसमें यूज करके हम लोग PT और PS में रिलेशन बिठा सकते हैं। तो मैंने अलग से इसका ट्रायंगल बना लिया है जो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है PTQ का। यहाँ दिख रहा है आपको ये जो ट्रायंगल है वो 90-60-30 होगा। तो नॉर्मली क्या होता है 90-60-30 में जो 60 डिग्री एंगल के जो ऑपोजिट साइड होता है वो कभी भी √3/2 टाइम्स होता है, यानी कि जो PT होगा वो √3/2A होगा, तो अब हमारे पास जो PT है वो A के फॉर्म में आ गया। अब हम इस ST को भी A के फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे। So can you see here this ST will be nothing but QT minus QS. Okay, and QT is our A by 2 and QS is given as A by 3. तो जो हमारा ST है वो A2 minus A by 3 यानी कि A by 6 आ जाएगा। अब हमारे पास ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल PTS है जिसमें हम PS का रिलेशन PT और ST के साथ बिठा सकते हैं, और चूंकि PT और ST दोनों हमें A के फॉर्म में आ गया है तो we can get PS square in the form of A square. So that is what I have done here in triangle PTS. Let's apply the Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, what we have PS square equal to PT square plus ST square, and PT square already we have got √3/2A, so we have to square it, and ST also we have found A by 6, so we can square it. So when we square √3/2, it becomes 3/4A square, and this A by 6 square basically becomes a square by 36. So we can put it here, a square by 36. So now we have got both. So a square can be taken out as a common, and even a square by 4 can be taken out as a common, so that it becomes easy to solve. So inside will be left 3, and then we will have, I think, 1 by 9. So this can give us, a square by 4 will be like that only. This can give us 9 3 are 27 plus 1 28. So this can give us 28 by 9. So now we can cut 4 with 28. So we can cut 4 with 28, and we will have 7 here. So ultimately we will be left with 7a square by 9. We will be left with 7a square by 9. And now what we need to actually solve is pq square. So since a is pq, now we can simply substitute that value, which is pq. So eventually what we have got is ps square equal to 9 pq square by 7, and by cross multiplication we can get 9 ps square, 9 ps square equal to 7 pq square. This is what we had to actually prove. So what we did here, let's just summarize it. First, it's a equilateral triangle. So all sides have been taken as A, which will actually help you to find out this PQ square, because here they have not given any particular side as such. So we have to take it as A so that it becomes easier for us to solve it further. उसके बाद ये PT जो perpendicular है उसके वजह से QT TR a/2 हो जाएगा, QS a/3 दिया हुआ है, ST आप उसको माइनस करके निकाल लीजिए, ST आ गया आपका A के फॉर्म में, और उसके बाद फिर ये जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है PTQ, तो इसमें 90 60 30 हो गया, तो 60 के ऑपोजिट जो साइड होगा वो √3/2 A होगा। अभी ये ट्राइंगल को लीजिए PDS, इसमें दोनों साइड हमने A के फॉर्म में लिख लिया है। अब इसको हम सीधा पाइथागोरस में डाल देंगे, तो √3/2 a का होल स्क्वायर a/6 का होल स्क्वायर सॉल्व कर लीजिए। फाइनली आपके पास 7a²/9 आएगा और अब आप a की जगह pq डाल दीजिए और उसके बाद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए एंड you will get the required answer. So that is how we can solve these questions. So if you have liked this video, then please share it with as many people as possible. If you still have any doubt at any step, you can always put your comments in that section and I will definitely get back to you. And do subscribe to our channel so that you can get the information about all the videos at the earliest. So thanks a lot for watching this video and